2026 Cedar Creek Cottage 413FWC is a destination-style fifth wheel built to feel like a cottage on wheels. The exterior has a clean, modern look with a tall profile and smooth side. Inside, the dining area features a dining table that works for meals, laptops, or game night. Beside the table is a pantry and closet area with deep shelving for food and a tall compartment for larger items and cleaning supplies. This cluster of storage makes it simple to keep everyday items organized and within reach. The kitchen centers around a residential-style sink, with a high-rise faucet set into solid surface countertops. This setup gives plenty of space for washing dishes and prepping meals. Countertops run along the kitchen, including island and side counter areas that provide room for cooking, serving, and small appliances. A large refrigerator with separate freezer offers capacity for longer trips and stocking up on groceries. Surrounding cabinets and overhead storage hold dishes, cookware, and pantry items. Multiple drawer banks and lower storage areas finish out the kitchen, with deep drawers for pots and pans and smaller ones for utensils and gadgets. The overall storage keeps the kitchen neat and functional. Near the kitchen is a compact half bathroom with toilet, sink, and cabinet space for daily essentials. This bath adds convenience for guests or quick use during the day. The living room is arranged as a lounge area with comfortable seating and a central entertainment center. A large TV and fireplace create a cozy focal point for relaxing and watching movies. Additional seating and built-in storage in the living room provide space for guests and a place to store blankets, games, and media. At the rear, the bedroom features a large bed with storage above. Across from the bed, there is a dresser for clothes and personal items. This bedroom is set up for long-term or seasonal stays. The master bathroom sits at the very back as a full residential-style bath. A large shower, roomy vanity, linen storage, and a washer and dryer create a complete home-like space for daily routines and laundry, all in one area. Together, the destination layout, rear master suite, and cottage-style interior of the 2026 Cedar Creek Cottage 413FWC make it a strong choice for anyone wanting a long-term, home-like setup at their favorite spot. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to start your next adventure, contact us today at 979-265-8166.